Welcome to your dream home. Located in the exclusive Barra Sul neighborhood in Balneário Camboriú. This exclusive development gives you direct access to the water. This amazing residence is none other than Yachthouse, Brazil's tallest building. Spacious apartments with 261 square meters. For all you water lovers out there, this is the epicenter of Brazil's yacht culture. It's still not too late to buy one of the last remaining units available here and enjoy these amazing views and this incredible lifestyle that only Balneário Camboriú has to offer. Get in contact today to make this dream a reality.